Welcome to Affiliate Marketing Profit, your comprehensive guide to unlocking the potential of affiliate marketing and generating passive income online. In this course, we will explore the world of affiliate marketing and provide you with the knowledge and strategies needed to build a successful affiliate marketing business. Whether you are completely new to affiliate marketing or looking to enhance your existing skills, this course is designed to help you navigate the ins and outs of this lucrative industry. Throughout the lessons, you will learn how to choose the right affiliate programs, create engaging content that converts, drive traffic to your affiliate links, and maximize your earning potential. By the end of this course, you will have the tools and techniques to start earning a steady stream of passive income through affiliate marketing. Join us on this journey to unlock the secrets of affiliate marketing and turn your passion into profits. Let's start building your profitable affiliate marketing business together.